Welcome back for the next title animation. In this part, we'll have a rather short and easy text animation. Let's just add a text, and for this title I'll keep Biba's Neue font. I will increase spacing at 200. And I'll choose an orange color. For this text I need a border, so I go to Advanced, and right here in Border Settings, I'll go and select this red color for my border. And let's make the border thicker. I'll set the width at 35. For this text animation, I will change the rotation point to the left middle, and now I can add a custom animation. And I'll need scale, opacity, text spacing, and border. Then, I will go to animation settings. I will set that by letters. Direction, I will leave it as it is, and let's increase the text offset at about 40. To have a better control for the starting point, I will drag the added animation a little to the right, and positioning the playhead before it, I will make the settings that I need for this text for the showing up point. I will set the scale at 10, and the spacing at 2000, for the starting position of this title. Having the starting settings done, I go and reposition the custom animation where it was. I will move the playhead over the animation to the right, and I will make the settings for this point of the title. Remember, in animation properties I have set border as well, so the title starts with a red border, and right here in this point I will have no border, so I will set that to 0. Next, I will right click on the custom animation, and I will duplicate reverse. I will drag it here to the right. Now, on a second thought, I think I want the text to keep the border while it's scaling up, and therefore I will add another custom animation right here. And for this, in the animation properties, I will only set border. Next, I need to make sure that having the playhead in between the first two added animations, I will set the border thickness back to 35, and in between the last two animations I will have it at 0. Now, I will only need to arrange and adjust them a little bit, and this is a very simple way how you can create this text motion effect. My intention was to have a title coming in and go with a neon kinda look. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for future tutorials of how to create amazing motion graphics, and I'll see you in the next video.